is my Arrma Gorgon. The last time I showed it on the channel, it was red, it was brushed, box stock, and it did pretty well on its own, just completely out of the box. Since then, we got a new body for it, and as you can see, it's probably time for a third or fourth new body. I forget how many I've been on now, but we got a new body. We got some new wheels and tires off of Amazon. These things are really, really good, and they've actually were pretty cheap when I bought them. We switched it over to brushless. We got a cheapo brushless motor in there, cheapo ESC in there as well, along with the Spectrum SR215 receiver. I got this thing hooked up to my DX6 Rugged, and I also got underglow and LEDs front and rear. Also sounds like we got a blown out ESC fan. So this thing might look messy as is, but it is a blast. I haven't really been running it outside because it's been winter time and two-wheel drive monster trucks aren't really the best in the snow. But I have found a place that it really shines, and it's actually over at RC Madness on their carpet track. Myself, as well as Jake, aka Ding Dong, he's been driving his brushless converted Gorgon as well. We've been bringing them over to RC Madness every Thursday night after mini racing, and these things are a blast. They're turning heads left and right, and I think we'd really like to get a class of these things going. They're really kind of goofy looking, going down the straight and bashing into each other, getting the wheels tangled up, but they handle really good on the indoor carpet track over there. They land the jumps super plush. They handle the turns great. Mine is running a 3S battery in there. Jake's running a 2S battery in his with his Hobby Wing setup on his, but these things are a blast. I want to show you guys what these look like out on a carpet track, so let's head it over to RC Madness and check it out. Quick break in the video to let you guys know that March 28th, 29th, and 30th, RC Madness in Enfield, Connecticut is hosting the Losi Mini Nationals all weekend long starting that Friday. We're going to be racing all things mini and micro, including the Losi Micro B, Mini B, Mini T 2.0, LC12, vintage classes, the all-new Losi NASCAR, oval and on-road, a bunch of different spec classes for those as well. So if you want to know more about that event, check the link in the description. It goes right to our Facebook page where we'll be doing updates. You can see all the rules for all the events. It's going to be a really good time. I'll be there. A bunch of Losi drivers will be there. I think Greg from RC Driver is going to be there racing. And it's going to be a great time. We're going to have tons of raffle prizes to give out. I myself am even donating some raffle prizes. I made up some hoodies and t-shirts with some logos on it. If you want to pick up some one-off 413 RC merch, I've also listed some stuff on my Etsy page. They're one-offs, different colors, different styles. I'm making them all by hand, and they are priced to sell on my Etsy page. So if you don't pick one up at the event at the end of the month, you can always grab it on Etsy. Or if you want to grab one before the event and rep it at the event, that would be super cool too. So thanks again, and let's get back into the video. Ironically enough, the only thing that's broken on this thing since the last time I showed it on the channel has been the body. I've gone through 2 or 3 bodies so far, but everything else has been great. I've had no breakages. I know people have had issues with the servo in there. It's still the stock servo. Those beefy gears in that differential are super durable. We've been bashing these things and no complaints so far in this car. So if you're on the fence about getting an Arrma Gorgon for the price, I think it's one of the best cars you can get. It's big, it's beefy. You can customize it any way you want, and they are a ton of fun. So thanks again for watching, guys. This was a short and sweet video, but I just wanted to show you an update on the Arrma Gorgon, and I got more videos coming soon, so we'll see you in the next one. See ya.